Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, a really cool chatbot that can answer all sorts of questions and help you with a bunch of stuff. So first, what is ChatGPT? It's a chatbot made by OpenAI. You can ask it anything from basic questions to getting help on your homework. It's like having a super smart friend in your computer. Getting to ChatGPT is easy. Just go to OpenAI's website, or you can use their app if you're on a mobile device. Click on the Try GPT button, then use the Sign Up button to sign up. You can use your email, or you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once you're signed up, you should have access to ChatGPT. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, you'll see a text box. This is where you type what you want to say or ask. Just type and hit enter. Now let's go through some example prompts. These will give you an idea of the wide range of things you can ask ChatGPT. Here are 10 prompts for different situations. Homework help: how do I calculate the area of a circle? Travel planning: what are the top 5 tourist spots in Paris? Cooking: how do I make homemade pizza dough? Job interview prep: give me some common job interview questions. Writing: can you help me come up with an intro for my essay? Tech troubleshooting: why is my computer running slow and how can I fix it? Entertainment: recommend me some good movies to watch this weekend. Self-improvement: how can I manage stress better? Coding: how do I create a basic Hello World program in Python? Translation: translate this sentence in French. What is your name? Random fun: tell me a short, funny joke. Now, ChatGPT comes in 2 versions, free and plus. With the free version, you can do a lot. But if you'll use the Plus subscription, you get faster responses, some cool extra options, and priority support. If you're looking for more features on Plus, check out the beta tools and plugins. To activate them, go to the 3 dots next to your name, settings icon, usually it's a gear symbol, then on beta features activate, browser with Bing, plugins, advanced data analysis. Keep in mind, if you ask for current date information like what's the weather, it will say, I'm sorry, but I can't provide real-time weather information because my knowledge only goes up until September 2021 for the free used and January 2022 for the Plus users. But if you are a Plus member, you can browse with Bing and get access to current information. A quick note on safety: don't ask for personal advice or share any private info. It's a computer, not a person, so be smart about what you ask. To use Dall-e 3 with ChatGPT, go to GPT-4 and select Dall-e 3. Once it's on, just ask ChatGPT to make an image for you. You can ask for something like, can you make an image of a cat wearing a wizard hat? Wait a little, and you'll get a unique image right in your chat. You can click on the image to see it bigger, and it also has a download button with a small arrow pointing down. You can then ask for changes, like what should be different, what style you want, or any other changes. It's like talking to Photoshop. It's not perfect, but it does a good job. You have a limit on how many images you can make. After a while, it will ask you to wait a few minutes before you can make more images. The ChatGPT interface is really user-friendly, but let's go over it quickly. Text box: this is where you type your questions or commands. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Send button: right next to the text box, you'll see a button to send your message. You can also just hit enter on your keyboard. Edit title: to help you remember what each conversation was about, you can change the title. Just click on the title, then on pencil icon, it'll let you type, and then you can rename it to whatever you want. Delete a conversation. Next to the edit icon, there is a recycle bin icon that lets you delete that conversation. If you want to delete all your conversations, go to Settings, then General, then click on Clear All Chat and hit Clear. If you have a Plus subscription, you can access GPT-4. Here, you get the default features and all the beta features that are available now and will come in the future. This includes browsing with Bing, advanced data analytics, plugins, and Dall-e 3. If you're using the default mode, you can upload an image and ask ChatGPT questions about it. For example, if I upload this image, I'll get this answer. In future videos, I'll talk more about other options and go into more detail on each one. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Got questions or comments? Leave them below. See you in the next video.